Okay, so Aram जो था, Aram, we can say, was unable to understand how Murad got that beautiful white horse when he was so poor that he could not afford to buy a horse. So what happens till now, we have understood that Aram and Murad, despite being from a Garohelian tribe which was known for its honesty and pride, and the family was, this tribe was too much of poverty stricken that they does not think of buying a horse. But they were not dishonest and they did not believe in stealing. But still, Murad and Aram, both because of their intense longing to ride a horse, they went against the family reputation and Murad stole a white horse from the farmer, whose name was what? Whose name was John Byro. And Aram was unable to understand. Aram was not at all able to understand it how Murad got this beautiful white horse. उसने कैसे मैनेज किया, वो कैसे ये हॉर्स लेकर के आया. दिस वॉज एन वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग थिंग कि ऐसा कैसे हुआ. वो सोचता ही रह गया that how is it possible, but what happened when he was so poor that he could not afford to buy a horse. How has Murad managed it? Aram could not resist the temptation of riding the horse, and that is why he could not make out that his cousin had stolen the horse, and he also went to ride the horse. And Aram watched Murad that how he was riding and how he was controlling the horse. And Aram, taking it all an easy manner, he was saying that so easily कि ये कितना easily इन चीजों को manage कर रहा है. Murad is so expert. Aram also rode on the horse alone but could not manage to control it. Aram also went over there. वो भी गया वहाँ पे किस लिए? इसी को कंट्रोल करने के लिए कि मैं भी बिल्कुल उसी वे से ही हॉर्स को कंट्रोल करूंगा जैसे कि मुराद कर रहा. बट इट वाज नॉट पॉसिबल फॉर हिम एंड हॉर्स ने उसको गिरा दिया और वहाँ से आके निकल गया. Murad was considered a crazy person and descendant of his crazy uncle Khosrow. Now Uncle Khosrow comes. अब Uncle Khosrow कौन थे? बहुत ही big and powerful man थे and a very impatient man. He did not allow anyone to speak and shout and loudly. He was a man with a characteristic that he did not allow anyone else to speak. He keeps on speaking, and he was a very impatient man, and he always kept on shouting loudly. And he was a crazy man, and Murad, the crazy boy, was known as the descendant of Uncle Khosrow. Murad and Aram continued horse riding for some weeks, though Aram was not able to control the horse. They have continued horse riding, उन्होंने continue किया बहुत समय के लिए. But Aram Jothai was not able to control the horse, and one day both the boys came face to face with the exact owner of the horse, that was John Byro. And while they were taking the horse to hiding place, now what did John Byro say? John Byro says that doesn't matter. The horse is similar to my horse. आपका भी जो horse है बिल्कुल मेरे horse के जैसा है. I have lost my horse, somebody must have stolen my horse. And that one day when both the boys came face to face with the horse's owner, that is John Byro, a farmer, while they were taking the horse to its hiding place. Now John Byro examined the horse and studied it tooth by tooth. That is point to point. एक एक छोटी छोटी चीज उन्होंने उसकी बहुत अच्छे से स्टडी की, because it was not easy. It is not easy कि आप suddenly blame कर दो किसी को. And the boys who was from such an honest tribe, the tribe who was known for his honesty, वो tribe जो अपनी honesty के लिए जानी जाती है, आप उसमें से ही किसी बच्चे को अगर आप ये बोलते हो that you have stolen and later it is detected that the actual stolen thing has not been stolen by them, तो फिर क्या होगा? Okay, so what happened? तो उन्होंने इसको क्या किया? चेंज किया. जस्ट अ मिनट. ओके, सो द थिंग हैपेंड कि उन्होंने उनको क्या किया? मना कर दिया. नाउ जॉन बायरो, आफ्टर एग्जामिनिंग इट्स टूथ बाय टूथ, व्हाट he mentioned that the horse looked identical to the horse that has been stolen by John Byro. इसका सही है, कंफर्म कर. Okay. Now, but he never suspected the boys as he knew their family and parents well known for their honesty. But what happened? But he knew, John Byron knew that the suspected boys are from the families whose family and parents are well known for their honesty. So the boys next day, now boys also realized that something bad has been happening. Okay. वो भी बोल रहे हैं कि कुछ गलत हो रहा है. क्या हो रहा है? बच्चों ने सोचा that we have been doing wrong thing. We have been doing wrong thing that is against our family. That is against the values of our family. So they decided to return the horse the next day quietly by taking it to the John Byros place once again, without anybody being detecting them. So perhaps they felt guilty and they did not want to bring any shame on their family. So next morning, when John Byro visited Aram's parents and told them of the great miracle, now what was the miracle? The miracle is that really the boys went to John Byro's farm again and kept the horse over there, tied the horse over there, the place from where they have taken the horse. And his horse that has disappeared mysteriously, जो बहुत ही mysteriously वहां से चला गया था, that John Byro was not able to know कि क्या करना है उसको horse को. So what happened, had returned. It was in better health and a better temper. But he says that doesn't matter. Your boys have taken my horse for a period of time, but I know that they have returned it. They have felt guilty. उन्हें अपनी गलती की realization हुआ है. They have brought my horse back, and I want to say one thing, that my horse is in better health and a better temper again. ठीक है, मेरा जो हॉर्स है वो बेटर टेम्पर और बेटर हेल्थ में है. ओके, तो उन्होंने बोला उसको हमें वापस नहीं लेना है. तो अंडरस्टूड क्या हुआ? They took the horse, those boys took the horse, and finally when John Byro detected that this horse was his, but still he does not told the boys that you have stolen my horse. The boys themselves, they decided that yes, we have done a thing that is wrong, and this would bring shame on our family, and that we does not want, because the reputation of our family should not be broken at any cost, because our family reputation is for being proud and being honest, and we should not take advantage of it, and we should go and return the horse back to its owner. So finally they decided to return the horse to its owner, as they did not want to bring any shame on the family. So they quietly, undetected, they went to the John Byro's farm again, and what happened? वो वहाँ पे गए and they left the horse from the place where they have taken. Okay, so the summer of a beautiful white horse is clear, I think. अच्छे से इसके जो आप राइटर्स हैं उनके नेम अच्छे से करेंगे, कैरेक्टर्स अच्छे से करेंगे, कैरेक्टर्स की एज अच्छे से करेंगे, कैरेक्टर के स्केचेस अच्छे से करेंगे. ओके, कैरेक्टर के स्केचेस. नाउ ऑफ दिस चैप्टर द मेन फोर कैरेक्टर्स आर व्हाट? Murad, Aram, John Byro and Uncle Khosrow. So 4 characters you have to do it properly. आपको ये चारों कैरेक्टर्स बहुत अच्छे से करनी है. ओके, now next, if this chapter is clear to you all, just raise your hand once again, and we should also know कि ठीक है आप लोग सोए भी नहीं हो, सब अभी तक जग रहे हो. Raise your hand. Good, very good. Now the second chapter of this book, so that the one book is over and next we'll be taking tomorrow. Okay, very nice. It's always been a nice experience to be in class 11th and teach you all. You all are very sincere ones, right? Elderly हो जाते हो तो थोड़े समझदार हो जाते हो, है ना? Value of studies is very clear to you all, right? सबको ऐसा तो नहीं लग रहा मैम मजाक कर रही हूँ? I think most of you must have been smiling right now, है ना? Okay. Tomorrow we will switch on the video also for some time, because I haven't seen many of you. कुछ के faces मुझे कभी-कभी दिखे हैं कहीं पे, but some बहुत है maximum I haven't seen you all. So tomorrow for first 10 minutes we'll switch on the videos. Okay. So you all be present here along with your videos switched on. And after 10 minutes, as soon as we start screen sharing, आप अपने videos को off कर दीजिए. Okay. Right? Okay? Okay with it? Then once again raise your hand if you are okay with the switching on of the videos. Tomorrow's class. Yes, good. Nice. So all will be ready for that. है ना? सब तैयार हो जाएंगे. फर्स्ट फेस टू फेस इंटरेक्शन के लिए विद मैम एंड मी विद यू ऑल, राइट? चलो कम ऑन. So now we will be taking the second chapter, that is the address by Marga Minko. Now this is a very short story. It is a story. It is a very touching account of a girl who goes in search of her mother's belongings after the Second World War in Holland. Now World War happens. World War जो होते हैं ना, वो पीछे क्या छोड़ के जाते हैं? Destructions all around. ठीक है? They take away our wealth, they take away our luxury, they even we can say they take away our happiness and the many of the people we lose there. So this is the one thing happened with the Marga Minko, that is the account of a girl. The narrator जो हमारी है, narrator says Marga Minko has written a very beautiful story for us, and here the narrator is a very, we can say, a very simple girl with a touching account we have here, who goes in search of her mother's belongings after the Second World War in Holland. But even after finding what she so much wanted to touch, to see, to feel and remember, she leaves everything behind as it could not bring her dead mother back. Now what happens once the person is gone? The person is gone. आपके पास कभी भी गया हुआ person वापस नहीं आ सकता. Whatever matters. Okay, so what happens here? यहाँ पे क्या हुआ कि even after, जब उसको ये पता भी चला ना, even after finding so much, when जब वो यहाँ पे पूरी प्लेस को जब वो रीच करती है, एंड जब उसने सब कुछ देखा, he got so much to feel, so much to see, so much to touch, but still it could not bring her dead mother's back. तो वो उन चीजों को वापस वहीं पे छोड़ के आ जाती है. Because the narrator says कि इन चीजों को छूने का, इन चीजों को देखने का, इन चीजों को महसूस करने का क्या फायदा when the person can't come back? बल्कि इससे तो क्या होगा? The wounds will be burned again. हमारे जो घाव होते हैं वो वापस से हरे हो जाएंगे. And why should I take these memories along with me? So she was really, we can say, she was a little bit of afraid. ठीक है? To have an encounter with all these memories. So leave everything behind and goes back. She decides to move on and live with only memories of the former times. Now she decides that she is going to move on and live with only memories of the former times. The address that held so much importance till she visited that place. Now the address that held so much importance. जो address, which address? The address of her mother. उनकी mother का address जिसको उनको जाना था वहाँ पे, वो एड्रेस जो उसके लिए इतना इम्पोर्टेंट था, टिल शी विजिटेड दैट प्लेस, वो सारा एड्रेस का जो वैल्यू था वाज लॉस्ट, एंड द गर्ल रियलाइज्ड दैट इट कुड गेट हर नथिंग बट पेन. नाउ द गर्ल रियलाइजेस दैट विजिटिंग दिस एड्रेस, looking at the things, feeling at the things, touching the things will bring only and only pain but nothing else. So she decides to leave everything behind. Okay, so this was basically, I can say, the chapter sketch of the poem. And now the characters जो आपको इसमें करने हैं वो क्या करने हैं? The daughter, Mrs. S, that is the narrator's mother, and Mrs. Dorling. 3 characters you have to do from here. I will be sending you the characters. Okay, मैं आपको together एक साथ combine करके I will be sending you the characters. आपको मैं उसका एक PDF आपको send कर दूँगी सारे characters का. Of all the chapters, chapter wise मैं आपको उनके characters send करूँगी. Now, yes, Kumkum? Yes, Kumkum.
Good afternoon. Good afternoon,
Good
ma'am.
afternoon, Kumkum. How are you?
Ma'am, I am fine.
Yes, बताओ क्या हुआ? Any problem?
बीच में मैम आपकी आवाज नहीं आ रही थी, मैं बीच में.
अच्छा, अभी ठीक है? अभी क्लियर है भाई?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. So now the address. We have to understand the chapter, the address. Okay. इसको बहुत ध्यान से सुनिएगा क्योंकि इसको बहुत समय पहले आपको सर ने करवाया. I don't know whether he has explained you the chapter or not. नोट्स आपको सजनीश के प्रोवाइड कराए थे, विच आई हैव अगेन, मैंने अपने नोट्स भी बना के आपको रीसेंड किए थे आपके ग्रुप में, एंड यू ऑल मस्ट हैव गॉट द नोट्स। ओके, तो जिन्होंने सर वाले कर रखे हैं इट इज ओके, कोई बात नहीं, जिनके पास सर वाले नोट्स हैं, एंड जिनके पास सर वाले नहीं है उनके पास अगर मेरे वाले नोट्स है देन ऑल्सो इट्स ओके। ओके, तो इसका जो चैप्टर हाईलाइट हमें करना है वो क्या है, द नरेटर डिसाइड्स टू विजिट द एड्रेस that was given to her by her mother, where all her family precious possessions were kept safely by Mrs. Darling. Okay, narrator जो है, narrator decides to visit the address. Narrator decides to visit the address that was given to her by her mother, where all her family's precious possessions were kept safely by Mrs. Darling. The first time when the narrator visited the address, Mrs. Darling behaved in the most absurd manner. She refused to recognize the narrator and did not let her enter the house. So the narrator returns empty-handed. So for the first time when the narrator visits the address, Mrs. Darling behaved in the most absurd manner. And she refuses, उन्होंने उनको recognize करने से ही refuse कर दिया narrator को, and did not let her enter the house. So the narrator returns empty-handed. So narrator वहां से empty-handed returns back. Okay. So narrator is reminded of her mother. Narrator को वहां जाके, who is the narrator? जो daughter थी. Now she is reminded of her mother, that is Mrs. S, who has given her the address. जिन्होंने उसको address दिया था years ago. And when in spite of war, जब in spite of war they were living in Holland, and she saw Mrs. Darling was introduced to her as an old acquaintance of her mother. The narrator noticed many precious items missing from their places, and then Mrs. S told her that Mrs. Darling was helping her by taking her tablecloth, silver cutlery, antique plates, large vessels, crockery, and many more things to her house to keep in safe custody in case they are to leave the house suddenly. Okay, so now these were the things taken by Mrs. Darling, and Mrs. S told her that Mrs. Darling is just taking these things to help us. Okay, so that कि वर्ल्ड वॉर में सब कुछ खराब हो जाना है, बट एटलीस्ट इफ द थिंग्स विल बी विद मिसेस डॉर्लिंग, तो कहीं ना कहीं पे वो चीजें जो है वो प्रोटेक्टेड और सेफ रहेंगी. Narrator decides to revisit the house of Mrs. Darling. Now narrator decides that she is going to revisit the house of Mrs. Darling. And as she felt the urge to see her mother belongings, she wanted to touch them, feel them, and remember them. Now narrator says that now I'll visit to Mrs. Darling's house, and because she says that my mother's belongings are at her house, so I want to go there, I want to see them, touch them, feel them, and remember them. And on her second visit to 46 Marconi Street, the address we can say, she could get entry into the house as Mrs. Darling's 15-year-old daughter opened the door. Her mother was not at home because Mrs. Darling was not at home. Earlier she was at home, but she did not allow her to enter. But now this time her daughter allowed the narrator to enter the home. Now girl lead her to the living room, where to the narrator's dismay things belonging to her mother were arranged in a very bad manner. वो जो चीजें थी वो बहुत ही bad manner में रखी हुई थी. कौन सी चीजें? जो नरेटर की मदर की थी और जो मिसेस डॉर्लिंग ले आई थी, वो चीजें बहुत ही बैड मैनर में वहां पे रखी हुई थी. Now Mrs. Darling's daughter innocently told the narrator that they were using all the antique plates, crockery, and cutlery. Now the daughter very honestly she told the narrator that we have been using this cutlery, we have been using this plate, and we have been using these things continuously. हम लोग इन सब चीजों को यूज कर रहे हैं. ओके, तो उन्होंने जब उनको बोला that we have been using these antique things altogether, the narrator took an impulsive decision to leave everything behind. Now narrator took the decision that narrator is going to leave everything behind as the precious objects owned by her mother had lost their virtues. क्योंकि ये जो भी precious objects है ना जिन्हें उनकी mother own करती है, they have lost their values. Also these objects associated with her mother were now in strange surrounding, and because also these things जो उसकी mother से associated थी ना, अभी वो सारी की सारी क्या थी, बहुत ही strange surrounding में थी. Then that is why जो narrator थे उन्होंने बहुत ही impulsive सा एक decision ले लिया. narrator ने बहुत ही impulsive सा एक decision ले लिया, A narrator says no, these things have lost their value. तो अभी मुझे ये सब नहीं चाहिए, and that is why the narrator decides to forget her past as it brought back her bitter memories. So narrator decides that he is going to forget the past because ये कुछ भी अच्छा नहीं लाने वाली है. These things are not going to bring her mother back, बल्कि ये तो क्या होने वाला है, bitter memories जो हैं वो ही इसके साथ में आने वाली है. Her mother was no more there to revive the pleasant memories because these were only things and her mother was not there कि जो उन memories को revive करेंगे. That is why the narrator walks out of Mrs. Dorling's house, decides that she would never come back to this house to see or take away her family's possession as she had no place to keep all of it. Now narrator taking a strict decision, where that is, we can say, a determined decision that she is never going to come back to this house ever again to take her family's possessions, as she does not have any, we can say, as she does not have place to keep all of it over there. Okay, so we can say that this was a story of a girl. It was a very touching story of a girl who arrived to the address given by her mother just because उसकी mother अब नहीं है, and the child wants and the girl wants कि वो अपनी mother को feel कर सके, वो अपनी mother को touch कर सके, वो अपनी mother को देख सके. But ये चीजें वैसे तो possible नहीं थी. Why it was not possible? It was not possible because mother was no more. Mother was already dead. But some belongings of the mother were with a lady named Mrs. Dorling. So she decided that at least I should go there and I should have the possessions of my mother back so that I can have some memories with me. But what happens? वहाँ पे memories नहीं आई, बल्कि the narrator thinks, narrator ने ऐसा सोचा that इसके साथ में कोई memories तो आ नहीं रही है, बल्कि bitter memories आ रही हैं, and वो bitter memories उसे नहीं चाहिए थी. So because now the narrator realizes that the only thing which she can get in return is the bitter memory, is the pain. So that is why she decides that she would never come back to this house to see or take away the family possessions ever again, and she had no place to keep for it. That is why she decided to forget her past as it brought back the memories which were very bitter. So she decides that she is going to forget the past because her mother was no more there to revive the pleasant memories. So that is why the narrator took this impulsive decision. Okay, to do what? To leave the things behind and move on with the life. And that is why उन्होंने बोला that now the narrator decided that moving on with the life with only memories of the former times. The former times की कुछ memories होंगी, but now she decides to move on and live with only the memories that were of the former times. So that is why we can say the address that had so much importance till she visited that place now lost its value, and the girl realized that it could get her nothing but pain. Okay, so I hope this chapter is also clear. So ये दो chapters आपने हो गए, one poem and the two chapters that we are going to do tomorrow. And before that, what we said, that what else we are going to have? We are going to have little bit of video interaction. So you all please be over there in the tomorrow's class. I know it's really hectic for you कि आप इतनी सारी science, maths ये सब classes लेते and then when you return for an English class, that too at so late, इतना late. I know that. Okay, I hope these all things are very, very clear to you. And so now in tomorrow's class, is Rahul wanted to say something? Wait. Okay, so we'll be meeting in the tomorrow's class. Till then, आप इन दोनों को देखेंगे. Characters I'll be sending it to you, right? And I'll send it to you. Notes, I think you all have. Complete the notes. Read the chapter. If any query, you can ask me. At present also, if you have any query, you can ask me. किसी को कुछ पूछना है? कोई query है?
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Very good afternoon. Okay. So now we'll be switching off the meeting now, and we'll be meeting tomorrow for our next class. And आप उसके लिए prepared रहें, और इसकी भी कोई queries है तो आप अपनी queries ready रखिए. Okay. So take care of yourself. Stay home and stay safe and keep studying. Exams are approaching; they are very close. So keep studying well. Okay. take care of yourself.